What's up, guys? Today, we're buying a skateboard. We're going upstairs, uptown to go and buy skateboard. Great! O, ano po masasabi nyo? Wala daw.
Alas, we made it. Clusterfuck.
Bro, we just made it to Cluster F. Sobrang layo ng pinuntahan namin. Good na ako. Ouch. Oh yeah. Stop doing that, bro. There's a water here. We can share if you want.
Hell no, there's a level over there.
Stop being a pride man. Just drink the water.
I'm not a pride man, I'm not gay.
No, just stop. Wag kang pride bar. Kunin mo yan.
Yeah, I'm not pride because I'm not gay.
You're gay. Why are you dating 5 femboys at the same time?
Actually, 4. I found out that one femboy is actually a girl.
Sometimes I just can't with this guy. Guys, like
Fuck you, me.
on the nanggaling kami sa taas kanina. I just received a free equipment for skateboarding. But the thing is, I don't have the full set skateboard because wala na daw silang skateboard. It's all sold out. Wala na rin silang store. Dati pa pala yung skateboard store nila na yun. Nakapin sa Google Drive. Everything here is just doing the jiggle physics. As you can see.
What's up, guys? It's Adrian. I'm back again. Nah, they're not gonna replace me. I'm always gonna be the cameraman because, like I said last video, shout out to me so I can be Dustin's cameraman so he can do more of my shit and bidding.
I don't even know where those guys buy those skateboards. Like maraming naging skateboard sa CMA pero di ako I can't really buy freaking skateboard.
His hair is mesmerized.
Bro, like every guy in Kogyo had freaking skateboard. Tapos ako wala.
Not me, don't worry. Me, Dustin, we don't have a skateboard so I can make him feel better. See, that's what the supported friend is. Right, gang? Yeah.
I think that was too close in the camera. Like your face.
Nah, I
too
don't think
cool.
it was.
I'm too cool.
I'm too cool. I'm too cool.
I'm too cool for suggestions.
I'm too cool for suggestion.
Wala ngayon guys si Hannah, si JC, si Anika, si Margo because busy sila ngayon. Si Hannah tsaka si JC, they went on a different adventure right now. Pumunta sila sa para
Stop exposing their fucking school locations.
pumunta sila doon to enroll to a new school. And then si Hannah naman, she just went home already.
Ooh, look at the size of that. I think I can fit it.
Oh fuck. Did you just sexualize the goddamn hydraulic press?
What do you mean hydraulic press? Hydraulic press.
I
Hydraulic
don't
press.
know what's that called, okay? Stop.
It's called a fire hydrant. I think. Oh, finally a chair.
Step on my labuta.
Go anak, kaya mo yun, nak. Go nak. Go anak. Tulungan niyo yung anak natin, guys. Push, then put your feet.
Ganyan pala kayo ko na. Ayoko na guys, ayoko na.
Nika. 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 Eh! Tapos na kami guys sa step 1. Ang kailangan na lang nilang gawin is yung step 2 guys. Paddle your feet. Like that! Like that! Yun, nakuha ni JC guys. Nakuha ni JC.
Hannah Montana. Welcome to Disney Channel. Edit mo.
Guys, high na naman siya guys. Katulad na nakaraan. High na naman siya guys. Yun.
Yay!
Go!
Yay!
Ba't para pang asar yung palakpak mo par?
Dapat din na naman yung sasakyan to. Ano pa yan? Wala din na naman yung sasakyan mo yun.
Listen and learn. Listen, look.
Watch and learn.
Ayop to mga takala ko binibidyoan ako. Nag-oli pa naman ako sa akin lang ang tricks ko.
Guys, ang galing. Nakuha ko. Uy, angas guys. Angas oh. Eh, amen. Uy. Guys, ano ko, mag-skateboard ako.
Par, why do you have like personal anger issues in my skateboard, bro?
I accessorize your bear. It's
Oh! Nga no? Yeah, wala na kasi akong space eh.
Mitchell,
Mitchell!
na medyo hanji.
Oh, siya! Yeah, okay, I remember now. Oh, remember? Not! You're red! Yeah. Pula ka! You were Mitchell. Yeah. Yeah. Ikaw ay pula! Poor!
Boss, like, lumilipad habang nag-skateboard. Nakaganon yung pa, ay yung kamay.
Guys, this time sa gawin nating model sa graduation.
Wala Montana. Bro.
Ayun!
Margo. Hey! Ba't naging kung fu bigla?
I'm tired of being the cameraman. Wala kasi sa Adrian, guys.
Waiting yun. Guys, kaya lang.
I pretend na may tatati, iwan yung skateboard.
Forget about the skateboard. Guys, race, Anika. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. On your marks. Get set.
You can do it.
Wait up.
No, it's not the same thing. You just need to put your feet. Tapos yung likod mo yung paa. Yung likod mo.
Just be straight. Be straight, bro. I'm straight.
She's calling you gay.
I'm not straight. Get mo yan. Let's go. There she goes, guys. She's an amazing. Freaking Lightning McQueen, bitch. Such an amazing figure. Freaking Naruto.
I'm not expert at skateboards, but I know how to do that. Like, you need to do that only when you're speeding up, like so speed. But I can't go at that high speed, bro, because
She's trying to beat us, but
sobrang
she's trying to.
bilis. Naiilang ako. Hindi ko pa kayang gano'n kabilis.
Let's skateboard. Hey, baby. Guys, I can do the barong.
Let's get a beach each.
Barong.
Fuck you, bro.
Fatality.
Hindi, okay lang. Guys, the fact na twisted yung ankle ko kahapon. At the
She's
same spot
becoming
din.
reckless. She must be stopped. She's becoming reckless now.
Reckless bench.
Wala pa lang license.
Bro. Anong oras
If you
daw?
wanna buy a skateboard, buy at skateboardshops.com. Sale.
Why is it white?
I feel my...
Oh my god! Oh my god. Ano, skating montage. Bro. Skating montage with Anika.
I don't know how to control it.
What's up?
Hair tie.
I don't know. You wanna borrow mine?
No, it's fine.
Ganito for right, ganito for left. Gaganon mo. Put your weight on it para turn siya.
Yeah.
Siyempre, tutulak mo rin para may momentum.
Ouch. Yummy scratches.
Okay lang yan. Skateboard are meant for scratches, guys.
Yeah. It makes it cooler.
Ganito pa,
It's like having a scar. It makes the thing, everything cooler. Yeah.
My scar isn't cool. Face picking. So aesthetic. Face picking core. Coping mechanism core.
Ala! Agay! Sira! Ayun na, gulong! It's gone!
Gagi.
What?
Ayun.
The what?
Gagi.
Hey, I didn't
The
see
nuts.
Bro.
The nuts.
It's the
Agay!
it's called a nut, bro.
The nuts! The nuts! These
Whoa!
Ano yan, benta mo, boy? Agay!
Koy,
Like we should
kuya.
have a skirt or something.
Kuya, pera nga kuya. Kuya.
Do you wanna pull a Jason Todd and grab
Wait,
us
Isn't Todd?
out of nowhere?
guys, emergency.
Okay.
Feeling ko nadala ko yung screw ko. I can feel like nadala ko yung screw ko.
Feeling ko lang.
Yup, naiwan ko sa bahay. I always bring the screw. Pero ngayon naiwan ko sa bahay. Buset. It's tight now, guys. It's tight.
It's called a nut.
It's tight.
He calls it a screw. It's called a nut.
Yeah.
He's just a dumbass.
It's like,
He could have made a badass joke, but it's just a
bro,
dumbass.
it's like calling clips, mags. I mean, calling, mags clips.
Maggots.
Like someone
Found some in a piece of shit yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Oh, but why do I wear this?
Scars on her skin. Still think you're beautiful, and I don't want to lose my best friend.
This is all because when I cannot. I'm gonna show you up. I'm gonna show you up.
Thou shalt not lie. Thou shalt not cheat.
Hey!
Kasi kaya yung skateboard na lumulutang.
Maambon, guys.
Umaambon na ako guys. My whole body is sweating.
Human drone! 1000!
Bros, we're always letting the
It's
skateboard.
raining men!
Oh, let's go die today. The Rock almost killed me.
It's okay.
The Rock,
no.
Dwayne Johnson.
Nakalimutan ko dalhin yung screw guys. Nice job.
Screw or not? It's raining.
Let's just go before. Hey! Hey, we're gonna, yeah, we're just gonna let that happen, okay? Let's let them, okay. The capacity of this umbrella is only 2, so they're just gonna have to deal with it. Yeah, acid rain.
JC and his skateboard era.
He is a skater boy. He said to you later, boy.
She was a boy. She was a girl.
No, he's a boy and a girl? What the fuck? Yeah, you were up.
Damn! Look at the skateboard go! Oh my god! Ang galing ni JC. Grabe, sobrang bilis ni JC. That was like the most...
Heights to be, bro!
Alam niyo sa Doctor Strange, yung kaluluwa ni Spider-Man natanggal.
Yeah.
Tapos yung body niya. Parang ganyan na nangyari kay JC. Yung kaluluwa ni JC nag-skateboard. Naiwan yung katawan niya dito. Tapos yung kaluluwa niya diretso-diretso nag-skateboard. Do it again, bro. Do the astral. Oh, look at that. Nag-astral projection sa JC.
Let's teleport.
What?
Go lang. No pain, no gain. No gain.
That's not
It's not
true.
here. Come on, go.
I never learned the scooter. I just got bruises on my ankle.
Oh, okay.
Use your weight to lift to turn the freaking skateboard, bro. Not that
Hey!
way.
It went right.
You went right towards the
Kasi
canal.
ano, it's always right. It's always right though. Hey, di na tayo naambon na tayo. Aesthetic kasi yung paghawak.
Sana nga umulan eh.
Aesthetic. Okay, ikaw lang. Are you having fun? Yay!
Yes. Parang pilit, parang
So
pilit
good
guys.
to hear.
Parang pilit.
Well, I'm not having fun because I'm not doing the skateboard. But yet I can't do it, so yeah.
Buka dito for your cover.
Third person nga, I know. What are you talking about? I'm a voice. I'm not a narrator. I'm the voice inside your head.
It's yours.
How was it? How was it?
I want to go home, mommy. Mom, I want to go
Too bad. No, mommy here.
Too bad it's here, and she's back here in the Philippines, bitch. And I hope my mother doesn't find this video. This is an apology video. Wait. I'm sorry for saying bad words. And for flipping the finger. This finger. I'm sorry, mommy. And daddy. Hi, dad. I'm a skater girl now. And I brought Michael Jackson back to life just like you told me to.
Carl, close your eyes. Let my peace.
I brought Michael Jackson back to life.
It was a miracle. It was the man in the mirror.
So like, dad, if you're seeing this, ampun po ako lang. Rar.
You're now the cameraman. Why natakot ako sa skateboard na yan? It's a skateboard. What could be what's scary about a skateboard?
Says
could be
the one
scary
who jumped
about
off. Says the one who jumped off the skateboard as soon as she got on it.
Oo nga. What the fuck?
Pag nalaglag kayo sa skateboard, huwag niyo hayaan yung skateboard tamakbo.
Skateboard.
Bro, sa ankles! Did you saw that?
His first car in skateboard, guys. No pain, no gain.
Even so.
Last time I need to be. What?
I dare you to do a skateboard. At the same time, do this. I want you to slay very hard. I'm going to judge.
You almost laid. But nainitan na ako, kaya mo na sit down. Boy, why me?
Because yeah,
Bro,
You, para ano, may competition, no?
I don't want to compete.
Dustin, you do it. Dustin, you do it. Do it, Dustin.
Hey,
Dustin, do it.
thank you, Tay.
Tiyan natin yun, guys.
Thank you, Dad.
Kasi marami itong binili.
Guys, I can't eat. Guys, I can't eat.
Oh, no, it's
Patay mo muna yung camera, sir.
Starting to